Okay, Cooper, tonight we're going to have a look at characteristics of flowering plants and especially their leaves. So there's two different types of flowering plants. One's called monocots and the other's called dicots. And the characteristics in the leaves of the monocots is their veins in their leaves are parallel. And the characteristics of the leaves of the dicots is that their leaves, the veins are like a branch, branches and nets. So I thought what we would do is we'd use some of these leaves tonight and crayon rub them so that we can tell whether they're a monocot or a dicot. Yeah. So can you tell me the monocot? Do you remember what I said about their leaves? About the veins?
They are parallel.
Yep. Do you know what parallel means?
I think it means the same.
Yeah. Well, they're running side by side, like that. And do you remember what I said the characteristics of the dicot leaves are?
They're like a branch or a net.
Mm-hmm. All right. So let's see if we can discover or determine which these leaves are. Okay. So do you want to get the crayon and do some rubbings of these? So you've got to put the leaf underneath the paper.
Yeah.
Maybe up the other way.
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you think those veins might be?
The ones that are like the branch.
Yep. Yep. So that leaf you think might be from a dicot.
Yeah.
Dicot, I mean. Yep. Okay, what about one of these ones? We'll try one of them. We'll see that there.
Yeah.
Can you see what's happened? What do you think they are?
They're parallel.
Yeah.
And they've gone side by side.
Yep.
As well.
So which
monocot, I think it
Yep, monocot. Good job. What about this one? You want to give that one a go? So what are the characteristics of those veins in that leaf?
They're like a net or a branch.
Mm-hmm.
And that was dicot.
Dicot. Yep. What about, shall we try one more? What about this big long one?
Yep.
What can you tell me about that leaf?
That is a monocot.
Yeah, monocot. And why do you think that?
Because they're the veins of the leaf are going like parallel to each other.
Yep, and they're long, aren't they?
Yeah.
That's what I've noticed too about the leaves, is the monocot ones are very long.
Yeah.
So that could be another characteristic. And then the dicot ones are shorter and more rounded. Yep. You want to try that one?
Yeah.
I think that one might be.
Monocot.
Why do you think that?
Because the stem of their lines aren't going parallel.
Are you sure it's monocot? I think it might be dicot, because they're sort of going parallel like that, aren't they?
Yeah.
But they've got tiny, tiny, tiny little ones that are like a branch. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Or like a net.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, cool.